वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक रहेगा फॉर द नेटवर्क टेक्नोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट, टॉपिक इज इंटरनेट, इंट्रानेट एंड एक्सट्रानेट. First we will start our introduction regarding the internet as we are discussed in our lectures. Networks of network, that is called internet, or we can say that it is globally connected with all the networks. Worldwide web connectivity है. Internet generally used for the public access. Anyone can access internet. For example, Google, email, and YouTube. These are the basic summarized point that students can memorize. Next topic is that is intranet. Internet is a public network. Similarly, intranet is the private network. Only organizations can use the intranet for their purpose. Private networks within some organization, within company, within an industries, that the particular person that are working on that particular organization can use the intranet. That means employees only. For example, our ERP systems, our HR portal, these are some basic examples of intranet. Now the third topic is that is extranet. Extranet is the extension of the intranet. That means it is a private network, but we can give some external access also. For example, our supply management system. The particular supply management system is generally used for an organization or is used for an industry's purpose, but we can give the access to our supplier. That means it is the outer side of an organization, the vendors, partners, and customers that can use that particular software. So there are three types of networks: internet, intranet, and extranet. Now we can see the comparison of internet, intranet, and extranet. As we can say that is internet is a public, intranet is private, extranet is private, but some external access we are also given. Every publicly hai, so that means internet can everyone can use it. Intranet only employees or the particular member of the organization can use it. Employees plus authorized user that we are given to the access. Internet, it is a less secure because it is a publicly accessed. The security issue is always there. Intranet highly secure. Extranet is also highly secure. Internet that data is provided the global communications. Intranet, it is for the internal communication, particular college, particular organizations, and extranet is generally used for the business collaboration. So these are some basic summarized point that the students can memorize for their exam. Now we can next topic is casting. When we are transmitting the data from one source to another source, so data transmission method in network, it is called as casting. Generally, there are three types of casting: unicast, multicast, and broadcast. The first we can say that unicast. As per the name, one sender and one receiver. The best example is web browsing or email, where we have one send mail ID and one receiver mail ID. Next, that is multicast, one sender and the selected group. For example, that is online classes, where we have the sender is the only one, but the multiple users can join that particular class. That is the example of the multi-class where we have sent our data. And last one, that is broadcast, that we have one sender, but all the devices in the network. For example, ARP request, DSCP, satellite, the communications, that is radio. These are the broadcast example. Now we can see the comparison of the casting, that is communication symbols and example. Unicast one to one, email and web browsing. Multicast one to many, that is live online classes. And broadcast, that means one to all, that is DHP discover or ARP research. So students, these are the basic points that you can memorize in your for the external university exam for the network subjects. Hope you can write down all the basic important points to in your notebook. Thank you.